Well, with the fridge lit, I thought I'd best play with a new thing. Lots of new goodies this trip. And this one, this is, I'm a data guy, so I wanted to be able to see what my fridge was up to at all times. And this I got for a tremendous steal on Amazon in my local warehouse, half the price of some of the other ones. I'll link this down below. But this is a monitor with dual remote sensors that I can monitor my fridge with. So double A's in that one and trip A's, I believe, in this one. So I'll just go ahead and get it fired up. So magnets on the back here, so I can hopefully stick it to something. Mosquitoes got in like crazy because I lit the hot water heater while I was going in and out the door. That's, oops, mistake. And sure enough, there we go. Check that out. We have indoor at 75 Fahrenheit. I'll have to figure out, oh, here we go, how to change it to Celsius, 24, so it's pretty warm. And our sensors. So this will allow me to see, as we come down in temp, what kind of just how long it takes for my fridge. I know it's pretty fast, way faster than I expected, but this will give me empirical evidence. It doesn't data log it. We probably could if we wanted, but quite the battery holder. It is reliant on the door. Okay, we got a blinky. And sure enough, we've got sensor 1 already. Cool. So that's a good sign. Will it have sensor 2? On the reviews, there was 1 or 2 people said that they had trouble with the sensors. If you follow me on my other MKME Lab channel, you'll see I've done a lot with software-defined radios. This will likely be on 433 megahertz. We could actually sniff this with an SDR. But sure enough, we have both of them. They agree. That's cool. Mosquito agrees too. Jeez, I'm gonna have fun tonight, aren't I? Yeah, min and max, and that's all we want. So let's see. All right, is our fridge metal? I don't believe it is. I think it's plastic. So we're gonna have to find a home for this that it can live, where it's not gonna be a pain. We can set it here for now. And we'll just set our sensors. We'll do sensor 2 in the freezer, I think. And we'll just set it on the shelf like so for now. And sensor 1 we'll do in our fridge. Let's do, oh cool. The clamps are adjustable. So let's put it sort of a little down low, but kind of mid, but not too close to our heatsink there. And let's redo our top one. And we'll just see how it does. But I think everything will be just fine. That's slick. Pretty happy with that. And then we'll just watch it and keep an eye on things, and we'll know. I like knowing what the temperatures are. We can set some alarms if we want. Min and max temp is stored, but alarm sensor 1 disabled, alarm sensor 2 disabled. Pretty intuitive. I haven't read the instructions yet, and I think anybody can figure this out. So for 12 bucks Canadian, this was a hell of a deal. I don't know whether they'll be that price anymore, but I'd say for like 20 bucks Canadian, I'd be just fine with it too. So I'm pretty happy with that. This will be good. Okay, I finally decided where to put this. Its final forever home will be right here, just by the door. Allows me easy access to see what's up. It's right beside my existing control panel. And yeah, here we go. The freezer's already down to -5, and the fridge is slowly coming down. So it's quite warm in here, as you can see. So yeah, I love it. I think this thing is great. I'm really happy with it. We'll see how the battery life holds up, and I'll let you know in some months. We'll touch on it in some future video. Cheers, guys.